In this video, I will show you how to use the HubSpot free version. First, sign up on HubSpot's website and select the free CRM option. Then complete your account setup by adding your company details so the system can personalize your dashboard. Once inside, you'll see core tools like contacts, deals, and tasks, which are the main parts you'll use in the free version. Start by adding your contacts manually or importing them from a file so you can keep all your leads in one organized list. After that, create deals to track your sales opportunities and move them through different stages as they progress. You can also use the free email integration to connect your Gmail or Outlook, allowing you to send and track emails directly inside HubSpot. Even in the free version, you can create tasks and reminders so you never forget to follow up with potential customers. To stay organized, check your dashboard regularly to see updates on contacts and deals, which helps you understand your progress at a glance. By consistently using these free tools, you can manage your entire basic CRM workflow without needing any paid plan. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel